Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for eastern Chilton County until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Billingsley, or 13 miles northeast of Valley Grande, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clanton, Billingsley, Flecker, Mitchell Lake, Higgins Ferry Park, Verbena, Lay Lake Dam, Pools Crossroads, Lay Lake, Mitchell Dam, and Cooper. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama,